1986 Bullnose Ford F-250 6.9 IDI diesel, $3,500, Silverado Ranch in Bermuda, Nevada. This 1986 Ford F-250 Bullnose is a project truck featuring a 6.9 IDI diesel engine and automatic transmission. The truck previously ran but now struggles to stay running. Recent investments include new batteries, a starter, glow plugs, a starter solenoid, an aftermarket electric fuel pump, and a fuel filter. Despite these updates, the truck remains unreliable. With a missing title and mechanical expertise required, this $3,500 truck could be a rewarding project for someone skilled with vintage diesels. Two, 1978 Jeep J20 4x4, 5,850 Crown Hill, Washington. This 1978 Jeep J20 pickup comes with a 360 CID engine and a 4-speed Warner T18 manual transmission. With 78,000 original miles, it runs and drives excellently. Featuring no leaks and a dry undercarriage, it's ready to work or serve as a daily driver. Combining rugged 4x4 capability with classic Jeep styling, it's a practical choice at $5,850. Three 1974 Ford F100 truck, $4,500, Newton, Kansas. This 1974 Ford F100 offers a bright yellow exterior, a recently replaced 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. While the odometer reads 96,588 miles, its actual mileage is unknown. Though it runs well, it's not perfect, with a hole in the driver's side cab floor. At $4,500, it's a budget-friendly option for a classic daily driver or project truck. Four, 1985 Chevy Silverado, $10,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 features a heavy-duty build with a Dana 60 front axle and a 14-bolt rear axle. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it includes power windows and locks. In good condition with new tires, it's an excellent work truck with classic Chevy styling, priced at $10,500. 1989 Chevrolet Suburban, $2,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1989 Chevrolet Suburban offers affordability at $2,000, making it a candidate for winter use or restoration. Despite its very rusty condition, it's dependable and runs well. Equipped with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, it provides versatility, but requires significant cosmetic work. $1989 Ford F-250 4x4 pickup truck, $2,500, Powell, Wyoming. This 1989 Ford F-250 extended cab pickup features 4x4 capability, a 351 engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. While it runs, the engine leaks and needs work. The truck includes a camper shell, heavy-duty hitch, and good tires. At $2,500, it's an affordable project for someone willing to invest in repairs. Seven, 1971 Mercury Cougar, $1,450, Grover, Colorado. This 1971 Mercury Cougar is a rebuilder or donor car with no engine or transmission. The body is in fair condition and comes with a clean title. Originally planned for a big block engine restoration, it's now abandoned. High-performance parts are available separately, making it a great opportunity for restoration at $1,050. 8. 1982 Dodge Ram Custom D150 Prospector Edition Short Bed, $14,950, Arizona. This rust-free 1982 Dodge Ram D150 Prospector Edition is in excellent condition, featuring a slant 6 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, brakes, and air conditioning. It's ready to drive. With straight bodywork, clean paint, and a well-preserved interior, it's priced at $14,950. 1979 Chevy Nova, $4,500, Meade, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet Nova hatchback includes a 4-bolt main 350 engine and TH350 automatic transmission. It runs and drives with minimal rust, offering a solid starting point for restoration. The odometer has rolled over, but at $4,500, it's an affordable entry into classic car ownership. 1980 Ford F-150 Stepside 4WD, $13,000, Bay Minette, Alabama. This 1980 Ford F-150 Stepside has a new 351 engine, rebuilt automatic transmission, and updates like a new exhaust, tires, radiator, and bed floor. While the interior needs finishing, it runs great and is priced at $13,000. 1980 Chevy C10 Short Bed, $12,000, San Marcos, Texas. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed features a new 350 engine, automatic transmission, and 32-inch tires. The truck includes replaced floor pans and other updates, but has rust in typical areas. At $12,000, it's a ready-to-drive option for enthusiasts. 12, 1979 Ford F-150 Short Bed, 14,000 New Mexico. This 1979 Ford F-150 Short Bed is updated with a 2001 4.6-liter engine and 4-speed automatic transmission. Featuring Dream I-beams, it runs well but isn't entirely finished. Priced at $14,000, it combines vintage charm with modern updates.